Hey, what is up guys, my name is Proxy and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today it's currently Christmas, so I thought I'd maybe do a little video on these two epic new things I got. Corsair K70 RGB Mark II Silver Edition keyboard and the M65 RGB Elite Corsair mouse. Pretty fine addition to the setup, if I don't say so myself. Get rid of the old garbage peripherals. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get these out of the box. Alright, so first of all, let's unbox them and then I'll show you what the setup looks like and tell you how I think they feel. I think I'm going to start with the mouse, seeing as you always open smallest to biggest. Let's just go ahead and open this thing up. Here is the mouse. It looks quite nice. Quite a nice feel to it. I really like the clicking. Scroll wheel feels nice. Buttons, nice. Shoot button. Got these two side buttons and we've got the weights, of course. We can interchange. Overall, feels like a really nice mouse. Let's go ahead and set that aside. And the big Gehenna, the Mark II Silver Edition. Looks very nice from the outside. I can't wait to open this thing up. Wowie. That. A great looking keyboard. Go ahead and clip the wrist rest on. I believe I will be using it. Very nice. Alright, we'll get these plugged in and then I'll show you the setup. Alright, they are now connected and let me just say they look amazing. Dang, do these look good. Let's do a typing test. Oh, that sounds pretty good. Sounds really good. Got that speed on them. I really like the color effects on them. Nice clicking on the spacebar. Dang, this looks good. Well guys, overall I would definitely recommend these keyboard and mouse if you were looking to get a keyboard and mouse that is white and RGB. Very good quality, whilst a bit on the expensive side. It's definitely worth it. Great look, great feel, great quality. Overall, I just recommend it. So thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you, or at least was entertaining in some way. Probably not, because I'm not a very entertaining person, but hopefully my editing showed that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.